NASA astronaut Kate Rubins now closing the hatch between the crew and equipment log portions of the Quest airlock. Meanwhile, Hopkins and Glover are now inside the crew log portion, fully suited and ready for today's spacewalk.
Sensation on Space Ground 1 and crew members, we have no detectable ammonia by smell.
Today's lasted 6 hours and 47 minutes and was the 237th spacewalk in support of station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades. It was the 5th spacewalk conducted in 2021, but the 6th for Expedition 64, with one of those originating from the Posthumus airlock and 5 from the Quest airlock. This was the 4th spacewalk for Victor Glover, totaling 26 hours and 7 minutes. The 5th for Mike Hopkins, totaling 32 hours and 1 minute. Today's spacewalk itself, as we mentioned, 6 hours and 47 minutes. And of all time, that brings total spacewalks for space station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades to a total of 62 days, 3 hours, and 54 minutes.